In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch to percentage scale in TradingView. This quick change can make your charts easier to read when you want to focus on relative moves instead of absolute prices. A percentage scale shows how much an asset has gone up or down in percent terms, which is great for comparing different symbols or measuring performance over time without doing mental math. First, open your chart in TradingView and look to the right-hand side where you see the price axis. This is the vertical scale that normally shows numbers in dollars, euros, or your selected currency. Move your cursor over that price label on the axis, then right-click. A small menu will appear. From there, select percent. The moment you do, that right-hand scale will switch from raw prices to percentages. You'll notice the tick marks and labels now read like 1%, 5%, 10%, and so on. And the chart resizes to reflect percentage changes instead of currency amounts. This doesn't change your data or your indicators. It simply changes how the vertical scale is displayed. It's especially helpful when you're comparing moves across assets with very different prices, or when you want to quickly gauge drawdowns and rallies. For example, a move from 100 to 110 will clearly show as a 10% increase, which is often more intuitive than reading a $10 change. If you prefer using the keyboard, there's also a shortcut. Press Alt+5. This is a fast way to switch to the percentage view when you're in the middle of your analysis and don't want to break your flow to search through menus. Try it whenever you want a clean, relative view of price action. Once the percentage scale is active, take a moment to confirm the change by glancing at the right axis and making sure those values are now shown as percentages. You can continue panning or zooming your chart as usual. The scale will keep updating in percentage terms as you adjust your view. That's all there is to it. Right-click the price label on the chart, select percent, or use Alt+P and you're set. It's a small adjustment that can make a big difference in clarity, especially when you're comparing performance or communicating moves to others. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your streamlined, percent-focused view in TradingView.